We are moving on to page 6 in your digital notebook. This first question, in what year did the aristocrats of Athens choose Solon to lead the polis? You'll find that answer in this blue highlighted paragraph. Let's go ahead and listen.
The world's first democracy. Most city-states adopted tyranny, but some moved toward rule by the many. The Greeks called this form of government democracy, which means rule by the people. In these new democracies, large numbers of men participated in civic affairs. When did democracy in Athens begin? In the year 594 BCE, the aristocrats of Athens chose Solon to lead the polis. Solon ended the practice of selling into slavery poor people who could not pay their debts. He also gave some non-aristocratic men the right to vote for officials. These measures set Athens on the path to democracy.
Again, number 1, I did have his name wrong. In what year did the aristocrats of Athens choose Solon to lead the polis? Go ahead and get that answer now. Next question you'll find in this yellow circled paragraph. Which group of Athenians most likely opposed the introduction of democracy? So which Athenians, which group of people would not have wanted everyone to have a say? Let's go ahead and listen.
Later reforms. In 508 BCE, a leader named Cleisthenes made several reforms that reduced the power of the rich. By increasing the number of citizens who could vote, he brought in many new voters from the lower classes. Cleisthenes also increased the power of the assembly, which included all male citizens. The assembly met to discuss political issues and make decisions for the city-state. Another major reform took place in 461 BCE. In that year, Athens created citizen juries. A jury is a group of people who hear evidence and decide a court case. The new system put legal decisions in the hands of the people.
All right, number 2, which group of Athenians most likely opposed the introduction of democracy? So it's going to be a group that isn't going to want their power reduced, right? They don't want to give up power. So what group was going to lose some power if democracy was introduced? You'll find that answer in this yellow circled paragraph. Okay, moving on to page 7. I did shrink down the size of the digital notebook so that we could get the entire paragraph in here. So you are going to be looking for this question. What was Pericles' first major change? You will find that answer in this blue highlighted paragraph. Let's go ahead and listen now.
The age of Pericles. More reforms followed in the 450s BCE under Pericles. His first major change was to pay citizens for participating in jury service and in other civic duties. These payments helped poor people to take part in government. These reforms created the world's first democracy. Athenians were proud of what they had achieved. One factor that encouraged democracy in Athens was the idea of citizenship. Citizenship is membership in a community. Elsewhere in the ancient world, people lived as subjects of a ruler whom they were expected to obey without question. In contrast, the Greeks gave ordinary people the right to help make government decisions.
Number 4. What was Pericles' first major change? You'll find that answer in this blue highlighted paragraph. Let's look at number 5. It will finish out this page. Most education was reserved for the what? You will find that answer in this pink highlighted paragraph. Let's go ahead and listen.
Education's role in democracy. Education helped promote the growth of democracy in Athens. The education students received was designed to produce well-rounded citizens. Although some girls could probably read and write, most education was reserved for boys. They attended school from the age of 7 and studied literature, physical education, and music. By the 420s BCE, there was also higher education. Commonly, a lecturer taught students subjects such as mathematics and public speaking.
Number 5, most education was reserved for whom? You'll find that answer in this pink highlighted paragraph.